This is the late evening of January 26th, being Monday, 2026. Good evening, everyone. It is a breaking news that the Nigerian military is set to arraign officers detained over plot to overthrow Tinubu's government. For some time now, we reported step by step what transpired, what went wrong, and the people who were detained. We even go further to release the names of people who were detained in Abuja because they wanted to carry out a military coup against Tinubu's government. But you know what? It was met with stiff resistance. The Nigerian army denied that. The Nigerian government denied that. Everybody said it did not happen, to the extent that some people will even go to the extent of threatening you, saying that this news is a fake news, you'll be arrested, you people are trying to destabilize Nigeria, and so on and so forth. Like, when I hear people saying that, like what they said to me, then I laugh. The reason why I'm laughing is that people are reacting to what they don't know. They were reacting to what they don't know. But this is what we know, and we reported it. So, last week, the wives to these military officers and some generals wanted to protest because they said their husband is fallen ill, no charge, nothing whatsoever. They did not charge them to court. So, because of that, now the Nigerian military has now admitted there was a military coup attempt. And because of that, the October 1st parade last year was not held because that time they were planning to kill the president, kill so many people were mapped out to be eliminated then. So it was so bad like that the government have to cancel the October 1st parade and so on and so forth. Now, before I go forward, I want to let you know that Nigeria is like a secret society. Nigerian government is like a secret society. Only thing they want you to know is what the media will publish to you. The only thing they want you to know is what the media will publish to you. And that is why they hate truth. And they hate people who are saying the truth. Now, do you now believe that everything we reported about that military coup saga is not true? Because the Nigerian army have admitted and are now charging them to court after so many months. That was what led to the shake-up of removal of Christopher Musa and all those people that time. They have to, shake everything up to making sure that, the elements did not remain in the army. Now, I still want to pinpoint to the reason why it was kept secret. Because the people who carried out those it's only one now from Delta State, General Lieutenant Colonel Amos, okay? That is the only person from Delta State. Every other person is from the north, called Fulani people. Are they going to call this coup now a Fulani coup? I'm asking questions. This has nothing to do with tribalism, okay? One person now is from my state, okay? But that time, you know what we are hearing? The people, about 14% has been detained who wanted to overthrow Tinubu, and one of them is from Delta State. The others, where did they come from? You see, this is the way Nigeria is. And the citizens, people in Nigeria, they have never tested what it means to be a citizen of a country. They are being denied information, no human right, nothing whatsoever. And we have been psycho-conditioned to believing that this is norm. It's a normal thing. Let's just be going like this. You with who? No, you with who? This is unacceptable. It's unacceptable. But, I thank God that the truth at the end has come to play. Yes, let the truth prevail. The truth will always prevail. No matter what people are saying, no matter how long people lie to you, the truth will always come to prevail. So that is about that. Now, let us look into what transpired today.
Wike is on the run. Gentlemen, Wike is on the run. Staffs are following him. Wike is.
This is about Nyesom Wike, the FCT minister, being chased by labor union because of issue of payment, issue of strike. Now, he is now using court to intimidate him. And listen to one of the lawyers. First of all, I saw Femi Fandana, senior advocate of Nigeria, trekking to the court because of the crowd there. I saw Maswell Okpara giving speech, explaining what transpired. How Wike is trying to use the court to intimidate the people, the workers, and so on and so forth. This is because the Nigerian people have never tested what it means to be a citizen. You don't have right to protest. You don't have right to even protect your work, and so on and so forth. What Wike is doing, if you hate what Wike is doing and you love what Soludo is trying to do in Anambra State, it means that you are biased. because this is the issue of human rights. People are protesting in Abuja. Wike is trying to use court to stop them, but he failed. He failed. Now, Sondudo in Anambra State, people are still protesting, but their kind of protest is sit at home. But Sondudo is trying to crack down by closing down shops, saying that every Monday they are losing 8 billion in Anambra because people are closing their shops. Now, you now close it for 1 full week. As a governor, I think that decision should be challenged by people in the court. But just that so many traders, especially the people I spoke with, they are not interested even though they close it for 2 months. So where do we go from here? Now, let us understand what transpired in Abuja today. This thing that Maxwell Okpara said, okay, people might look at it that Maxwell Okpara, it seems that he has something or anger issue with Wike. No, what he said is just the reality on ground. Oh. It's just the reality on ground. Take a listen.
Go to hell. So they have been begging, series of letters have been written. So they decided to go on strike when they became frustrated. So the minister on his own decided to come to court. Instead of calling for ELC, instead of calling for stakeholders to have a meeting to discuss it, instead they come to court. So they came to court asking court to, one of the main reliefs is that for court to declare that the strike is illegal, of course, you know the implication, that the court should stop them from continuing the strike, and court should also order them to open that gate. These are the reliefs in the mess of something suit. They serve us. They also came with some reliefs in the motion, interlocutory motion, asking court to order them to stop the strike in a motion now, interlocutory application. So we said no. Supreme Court has said you cannot bring an application prayers you are seeking in the mess of something suit in the interlocutory stage. Then while we are still talking, of course, you know the minister. The minister decided to use police and army to break the gate and open that particular gate. And this is the main reason why he came to court. So now that he has opened the gate, he has become the judge on his own. Why are we here? Why are we here? So he should have also asked every staff to start off work. Because Erufai did it. When Erufai was minister, Erufai wanted to start employing people while the workers are on strike. But he discovered that he cannot have his way. So he should have asked the staff to continue work. I learned that is inside. Let's see who will serve him. So you don't do this kind of thing. We are not in a
Banana Republic.
When is the next agenda? We are not able to give the ruling on whether to continue the strike or not, pending the means of something. What would be your advice to the staff? Of course, they should continue to exercise their right, pending when the court will decide otherwise. And we're also advising Wike and President Tinubu that President Wike is making his government very unpopular. Yes. But he doesn't know if he was president. We should call him to order or we should sack him. Because nobody is responsible in this country. Yes. Either he call him to order or he should sack him. Correct. Yes. Because we have had series of ministers in this city. When there is an issue with workers, we dialogue. When even in your family, if you have issue with your wife, with your children, we dialogue. You cannot ask them to go to court and choose selected few. You don't do that. And the worst of it is that they fail to understand that FCT is not rivers. Yes. Okay. If you are one-on-one, what will you tell him? That he should behave like a lawyer. He is. A lawyer should behave equally. A lawyer should apply rule of law in whatever thing that you are doing. A lawyer should not be acting like an advocate. Yes. A lawyer, and he is a member of body of benchers, a life bencher, and the wife is a court of appeal judge. He should be a mirror to the society. If Wike should be behaving in this manner, what's the chairman of road transport workers union? Olomo. What do you expect Olomo to do? The head of Agro. The attitude. When there is an issue, you dialogue. When there is an issue, you apply wisdom. Everything is not force. Don't do anything force. We are not. Where is Abata today? Where is the disaster that just led to Buhari? Who said that you don't believe in the rule of law? Where is this Malami, who refused to obey the rule of law? They failed to land. Yes, 8 years. Tinubu will go, and now government will come. And for those of you who are buying land from this government, a land that they are allocating green lands, and you are buying. The next minister will work it and demolish it.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
They should
go there.
Barrister will integrity
and exercise their rights.
All right. Let's go, my people.
There is a court message, so don't disturb us. We lost some support. Your name again? My name is Dr.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wike is on the run. Gentlemen, Wike is on the run. Staffs are following him. Wike is on the road, gentlemen. Wike is on the road. The staffs are following him. He's on the run. Guys, he's on the run. The Honorable Minister is on the run. Staffs are following him. He's on the run. Guys, Honorable Minister is on the run. He's on the run. The Honorable Minister is on the run, guys. He has run. He's on the run, guys. The Honorable Minister is on the run. Wike is on the run. Gentlemen, Wike is on the run. Gentlemen, Wike is on the run, gentlemen. Wike is on the run. Gentlemen, Wike is on the run. He is on the run. Gentlemen, he is on the run. Gentlemen, the Honorable Minister of FCT is on the run. Guys, the staffs are following, I can't run anymore. He is on the run. The FCT Minister is on the run. Guys, he's on the run. He ran from the other gate. He's gone now. He's on the run. He's on the run. He has... He don't go back. He's on the run, gentlemen. He has run. The Honorable Minister has run away. He can't face the staffs. Gentlemen, he run. He can't meet with the staff. He run away. Gentlemen, the minister has run. He has run away. The Honorable Minister has run away. He has run away. The Ole, he has run. He is nowhere to be found. The Honorable Minister, he has run away. He's still inside. He has run away. The minister has run away, gentlemen. Comrade, the minister has run away. He has run away. We are going back to our base. Thank you.